Hey guys, what's up? We are here in Kingston, Rollington Town, doing a delivery. Island Wide Express. Today we're delivering to a small business customer. He operates a cell phone repair shop. We have a special for small business customers. If you have your little small business, you know you're buying stuff overseas, whether it's the product or you're buying material to make your product, know that when you ship with us, you are going to get a 30% discount. Yep, I did say it. 30% discount. So Ian is ready for his package. Let's go inside. This is Ian store now. If you're in Rollington Town area and you want anything to do with your phone, Ian repair computer stuff or just phone?
Phone.
Just phone. Ian does work with phones. Alright, you can come in. Ian, how long you operate a business here?
16 years.
16 years, you hear that? So we're talking about reliability, dependability. Yeah, come check Ian, Rollington Town. Ian, what's the street name again? Glass?
Gilstress.
Gilstress Street. It is on the Gilstress Street. I use the GPS, don't tell nobody. Alright, cool. So this is Ian's spot. Guys, anything wrong with your phone, you want case, screen replacement, come and check Ian. Unlocking and repairs, come and check Ian. Yes, Ian, enough respect. Alright, Ian, have the package here. Alright guys, bye.